I learned the secret to perfectly shiny floors from a hotel housekeeper. Ever since then, the laminate in my house always looks like it's been polished. Grab your mop bucket and toss in a few ice cubes. The cold helps refresh the surface and makes cleaning easier later on. Now, for laundry pods. 4 is enough. Crush them in your hands. These little pods are packed with concentrated cleaning agents and are great at tackling buildup. Throw in some scent beads to fill the mix with a lasting, fresh aroma that stays in the room for a long time. Next, add a little laundry detergent. It cuts through grease, handles daily dirt great, and leaves the floor feeling smooth. Now, time for toilet disinfectant. It has strong cleaning power and refreshing properties, so it works on tougher grime and neutralizes odors. Pour hot water over everything so the ingredients blend well. Dunk the mop in, let it soak thoroughly, then wring it out really well. Now just mop the floor as usual. 0 streaks, 0 dull spots, just a clean, shiny finish like a professional cleaning job. Finally, pour the water down the toilet. That dirt just proves your floor has been deeply cleaned.